कैसे हैं आप लोग? I welcome you in my new YouTube channel Coding by Fun, and let's start. So today's question is on hashing, and the question is array subset of another array. So what we have to find is that the second array is a subset of array 1 or not. So let's see the example. Let's say we have the size of the array 6 and 4. We had the two arrays of size 6 and 4. This is the array 1 and this is another array 2. So we have to find that this second array is subset of this first array or not. So 11 is present in this array, yes. 3 is also present here, 7 is also present here, and 1 is also present here. So yes, second array is subset of first array. So output is yes for that first question. Now we have the second of size 6 and second of size 3, and 1 to 4 is also subset of these 1, 2 and this 4. So yes, for this 2. And the last question is of size 5 and 3. We have two arrays, and this is the first array and the second array is 19, 5 and 3. So yes, 19 is present in this first array, 5 is also present, but 3 is not present in this entire array. So the second array is not subset of this first array, so no out is the output for this. So let's start coding for this question. So firstly, what we have to take in the input is defined here. We have to take t for the test cases that we already taken here, and let's take m and n, that is the size of the array seen, and also define the array for this size. These are the two arrays A and B, and let's take input from the user. This is for the first array, A of I, and similarly I am copying this for the second array, and just change this M to N and this A to B. Right? We took the inputs from users. Now let's make a hash of for this array frequency count, or let's say M, and let's count the frequency of the array first, that is array A. Right, let's do M A of I plus plus. Now for the second array we have to check the frequency in hash for the elements of the second array. So here not M, it's N. So if M of B of I is equals to 0, then simply we'll say it's not sub array. So we will simply see out no and end of the line, right? And we have to make a flag variable also that will say yes, it's not the sub array, and we will break the loop, right? And we have to define first the flag variable here, and flag is equals to 1 initially, and at the end of this for loop we have to check if flag is still 1, then we will say yes, the second array is sub array of the first one, and we will end the line, right? So let's compile it and check there's any error or not. So there is one error, previous declaration as int m, and what's the error? M of A of I plus plus. Okay, so let's check the error. So I think we have defined m here and also m here of same type. So let's do this at 2m1, m1, and also here m1, right? Now let's compile it. So let's check for these. 5 is present, yes. 1 is present, 3 is also present, 7 is also present, and 9 is also present. So yes for this first question, first example. And let's check for this. 1 is also present and 2 is also present, so yes for this 2. Let's submit it. So yes, our code is accepted by this side, gigs for gigs questions, and finally we have submitted the code, and it's time complexity order of n, also space complexity order of n, because we have made an hash table of size n in worst case. So finally we have completed the question of array subset of another array. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and comment too, and also click on the bell icon so that you will later be notified by my new videos. Or see you in next video. Bye bye.